Now today is supposed to be the day that we go from enhanced community quarantine to general community quarantine. But this morning I read this. This is Siargao's Facebook page. They're supposed to be a very trusted source here on the island. We all heard rumors on a hypothetical lighter community quarantine. We are still under enhanced community quarantine till further notice. All the restrictions are still valid. It is, for example, still not allowed to surf. Now during this quarantine I have developed a little, and I was counting on being able to surf from today onwards. So seeing as everyone back home in South Africa is allowed to go running from today onwards, I've decided maybe I should start running. Thing is, I came here with only flip-flops and no running shoes, so I need to go out and look for some running shoes. Okay, I'm going out now. I've got my mask, I've got my quarantine pass. Hopefully I'll find a place that's selling running shoes, but I think I know where to go. I think I know where I'll find running shoes. I'm still not exactly sure why we can't surf, because it's not like we are surfing in close proximity together, like it's still social distancing. Anyway, the streets are looking quite busy and it looks like a lot of shops are open, so I'm pretty sure I'll get some shoes so I can go running. Okay, so this is Yolan's. This is like a multi-purpose shop. They sell many different types of stuff here, so I'm gonna check if they sell shoes. I found these. I'll try them on. Close, I just need one size bigger. Okay, so this is 850 pesos, which is about 230 rand. Okay, I got my shoes and I'm ready to go running. I'm not gonna overdo it because I spent a lot of time during this quarantine doing nothing, so I'm probably very unfit. Quickly put back my backpack and then put away this camera. And I'm gonna use my phone to check the distance that I've ran. So next shot will be on my phone. Okay, I'm doing it, I'm running. Got my shoes on. Let's do this. Man inside! Whoa, and the clouds look amazing! I think I'm gonna turn around now because it's getting dark. I don't want to run in the dark, so going back. Just got home now. Oh, just hold on one second. Okay, just got home now. I'm gonna check how far I ran. I'm not sure how far I ran because the Samsung app has frozen, but I can see it's 12,300 and something steps. So tomorrow I will improve on that. I can't wait for them to say we're allowed to surf again. I just miss surfing so much. Anyway, hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, then I guess I'll see you in the next one.